Welcome to our channel where we make financial tasks simple and straightforward. Welcome to our channel where we make financial tasks simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into the straightforward process of activating your Goldman Sachs Apple Card. Whether you just received your physical card or have the digital version on your iPhone, activating it is essential to begin enjoying the benefits. First, if you have your physical Apple Card in hand, start by opening your iPhone and launching the Wallet app. Look for the prompt or the plus sign in the top right corner to add your new card. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan or manually enter your card number if prompted. The Wallet app will then authenticate your card with Goldman Sachs, which typically takes just a few seconds. If you have the digital card already available, activation may be as simple as confirming some security details. For your security, you might be asked to verify your identity by entering a one-time code sent to your email or phone number registered with Goldman Sachs. Once verification is complete, your card is ready to use for everyday purchases, contactless payments, and secure transactions through Apple Pay. Remember to update your billing and shipping information where necessary for a seamless experience. If you are encountering any issues, Goldman Sachs offers customer support via phone or chat, and the Wallet app itself provides helpful prompts and troubleshooting tips. Activating your Apple Card securely ensures you're protected with the latest security features, such as dynamic security codes and instant transaction alerts. This simple activation unlocks a world of convenience and financial control right at your fingertips. Don't forget to explore the card's features, including cashback rewards and budgeting tools available through the Wallet app to get the most out of your Apple Card experience. As you activate and start using your Goldman Sachs Apple Card, you're stepping into a smarter way to manage your finances with ease and security. Make sure to keep your iPhone updated and watch for any notifications from Goldman Sachs to stay informed about any new features or benefits.